Ever wish your pub gameplay footage looked less choppy and more cinematic? Let's dive in. First, make sure you have the Rsmb plugin installed in Adobe After Effects. If not, you'll need to install it next. Drag your gameplay footage into a new composition. Now, in the Effects and Presets panel, type Rsmb in the search bar. Double-click the Rsmb effect to apply to your footage. Under Effect Controls, you'll find various settings. The key ones for PUBG footage are shutter angle and shutter samples generally. A higher shutter angle creates more blur. Let's start with a shutter angle of around 270 degrees, then adjust the shutter samples to give it a sharper, more detailed look. Set the shutter samples option to 30. Now we're ready to preview the edit. See the difference? Rsmb significantly smooths out the motion. Experiment with these settings until you achieve your desired level of blur depending on your footage. Adjust the settings slightly for the best outcome, and that's it. Incorporating Rsmb is a simple but effective way to improve the visual appeal of your PUBG videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful editing tutorials.